Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a really cool false cut to show you. So, let's get started. Alright, so to do this false cut, basically what you're going to do, well, it looks like this first of all. And that's it. I'll show it to you one more time. Now I'll show you how to do it. So what I have here is the ace of, actually I'll put the ace of clubs on top, and I'll put the ace of spades on the bottom. So ace of spades, ace of clubs. Now, what you do is you hold the deck in your middle grip, but you, instead of like your normal middle grip of 2, you do it with 3. And then with your pointer finger, you do swing cut, swivel over, grab it. Oh yeah, by the way, you need to know how to do a swing cut for this. So if you don't know how to do a swing cut, there's a bunch of like thousands, I bet you hundreds, of swing cut tutorials out there. So just go check out some swing cut tutorials. Just Google swing cut tutorial. There'll be a bunch of them. So just go check some of those out. So yeah, but the swing cut, if you don't know, looks like this. And then you would complete it. Alright, so you still have aces on top and bottom. You hold it in this grip, and you cut a little portion off like this. Then as you cut this portion off, you turn this one over, and to do that, basically with your pointer finger, it's like here, it curls under and pushes, and that turns it over as you're picking this one up. And then what you do from here is your middle finger's down here, you lift it up and slide this packet in, and then your middle finger's going to grab it like that. Once that happens, you take the top packet off, put this packet, contact it with this edge, and then with the packet in your right hand, you just like basically push it over using gravity, like so. From here, you're in this position with your ring finger on top and your thumb on the bottom. What I do is I just put my pointer finger and middle finger on the top of the deck, on the back of the deck, and then from here, I'll slide my thumb down like that. Do the pointer finger thing again where I push, take this packet, slide it in, square it up, do a dribble. I'll show that to you again in slow motion, and I'll go through the steps again. So you have your 3-finger middle grip, swing cut as you use your pointer finger, push over, grab with your middle finger, continue that second swing cut, contact with edge, use right hand packet to push the middle packet on to there, slide, put these 2 fingers on top, slide, pointer finger again, over here, just slide it in, square it up, do a dribble, and that's it. Let me show it to you one time, slow motion. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Go practice it. It's a really easy but fancy false cut, and this would definitely be useful. Like, if you need to keep some cards somewhere, just do this false cut. And if you do it quick, it'll. Oops, messed that up. If you do it quick, it looks really fancy. And it's fluid, which I like. So I can't remember, but it's very fluid and very smooth but fancy. So definitely do this false cut tutorial. Practice it. Should be able to get it. It's pretty easy yet fancy false cut tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and see y'all next time. Peace.